Okay, Valerie. What is proportion?
Proportion is equality between two ratios.
How to express the ratio into the simplest form?
By multiply and divide these terms by a common number.
By
Multiply it by
common
divide.
number.
Yeah.
Okay. What is volume?
Volume is how much space something takes up.
Okay, good. Why is 2 the common factor of 2x plus 6y?
Because 2 divides evenly between in the term 2x and 6 plus 6y.
Okay. Why do we divide both sides by 2 in the equation of 2x equal to 8?
We divide both sides by 2 to isolate x and maintains the equation balance.
So 2x equal to 8, the value of x should be?
What against the equation?
If the equation is 2x equal to 8,
2x equals to 8.
so x, the value of x should be?
4.
How to express the ratio into the simplest form?
To express ratio into the simplest form, we can divide or multiply each term of the ratio by the highest common factor.
For example?
For example, like 16 to 8, we can divide it by 8. So it will be 2 to 1.
2 to 1, okay. Good. What is volume?
Volume is how much space something takes up.
Why is 2 the common factor of 2x plus 6y?
Because 2 divides evenly to both coefficients in the term of 2x plus 6y.
Why do we divide both sides by 2 in the equation of 2x equal to 8? Why do we divide both sides by 2 in the equation 2x equal to 8?
2x
Equal to 8.
to isolate the x.
To isolate the x and only that? Move a little bit, please. Yeah, because okay. And okay, move to the back. Okay, Hasilas, we talk about the common factor. So if I make one expression, 3x plus 15, what is the common factor of this expression? 3x plus 15.
3x plus 15.
Yeah. Because question number 4 is why is 2 the common factor of 2x plus 6y. So if I make the expression 3x plus 15, what is the common factor?
The number 4 question.
Sorry?
The number 4 question is that.
The common factor of 3x plus 15.
The common factor adalah kawan. The common factor.
Because question number 4 you can answer. Why is 2 the common factor of 2x plus 6y? So if I ask you about this expression 3x plus 15, what is the common factor of 3x plus 15? Just now you explain is the reason is why 2 the common factor of 2x plus 6y, because 2 divides evenly into both of the coefficient 2 and 6. How about 3x plus 15? What is the common factor?
3x plus 3 times x in the brackets and of the bracket plus 3 make the bracket 5 and make the bracket and this one.
So what is the common factor?
The common factor is 3.
Okay, good. Already. What is volume?
Volume is how much space something takes up.
What is proportion?
Proportion is an equality between two ratios.
Equality between two ratios. Okay. So if I make one expression like this, one equation, 4x equal to 20. So what is the value of x?
5.
Hmm?
5.
5. How do you get 5?
20 divided
20 divided 4. So this 4. 20 divided 4, you got 5. How about this 4 from another side?
4 divided 4.
Sorry?
4 divided 4.
4 divided 4. 4 divided by 4. Okay. What is volume?
Volume is how much something space how much space something takes up.
How much? How much?
How much space something takes up.
Okay. How to express the ratio into the simplest form?
We divide the ratio by the same common number.
You divide both of the ratio by the same common number. Okay, let's say you have the ratio 1.5 to 2. How do you divide this one into the simplest form?
So we divide both of them by 0.5.
You divide by 0.5.
So the 1.5 becomes 0.3 to 0.4.
2 divided by 0.5 equal to 0.4.
Yeah.
2 divided by 0.5 equal to 0.4. Are you sure? Because you missed something on your explanation actually. When I asked you about how to explain the ratio of the how to express the ratio of the into the simplest form, you just say you divide each term by the common number, right? You missed something there. So how to change it?
Common number.
Okay, let's go. Y2 is the common factor of 2x plus 6y.
Because 2 divides evenly in one coefficient 2 and 6 in the term of 2x and 6y.
Okay, let's say I have the expression 4x plus 12y. What is the common factor of 4x plus 12y?
It's 4.
Why do we divide both sides by 2 in the equation 2x plus 8?
To find the value of x and make it balance.
Make it balance. Okay, let's say I give the equation 3x equal to 15. So the value of x is
5.
good. What is proportion?
Proportion is equality between two ratios.
Okay. How to express the ratio into the simplest form?
By dividing both ratios by the same number.
By dividing both of the ratio by the same number. Dividing. So let's say 1.5 to 2. How do you divide this one into the simplest form to get the ratio? Okay. How do you get the ratio? So I asked the first question. This is the simplest form or no?
Yes.
Oh, this is the simplest form. Okay, you can go back. What is proportion?
Proportion is the equality of two ratio.
Okay, Steve. What is proportion, Steve?
Proportion is equalities between two ratios.
Equality.
Between two ratios.
Move to the back. How to express? Move a little bit to the back. You have to hide. How to express the ratio into the simplest form?
Multiplying them with the common factor. Only them to the simplest form.
Only multiply.
No, divide.
Multiply and divide each term into the with the Common number, okay. Okay, what is volume?
Volume is how much something takes up.
Why is 2 the common factor into x plus 6y?
Because 2 divides evenly on both coefficients 2 and 6 in the terms of 2x plus 6y.
Okay, good. Why do we divide both sides by 2 in the equation 2x plus 8?
To isolate x and maintain the equation balance.
So, in the expression 2x plus 8, 2x plus 8, 2x equal to 8, what is the value of x? 2x equal to 8, right? So, what is the value of x? Okay, good. How to express the ratio into the simplest form?
By multiply and divide each term by common number.
By common number. Okay, let's say 24 to 16. What is the simplest ratio?
We can divide it by highest common number.
Highest common factor. What is the highest common factor?
Divide by 8.
Divide by 8. So
Yeah,
you will get?
So we will get 3 to 2.
Very nice. Okay. So Leo, what is volume?
How much one take up space?
Sorry?
How much something take up space?
How much?
Something take up space.
Okay. Why is 2 the common factor in 2x plus 6y?
Because 2 divides evenly into both coefficients, which is 2 and x, from the term 2x plus 2x and 6y.
Okay, good. So why do we divide both sides by 2 in the equation 2x equal to 8?
To isolate x and maintain the equation.
Let's say I give you the equation 3x equal to 15. What is the value of x?
5.
Good. What is proportion?
Proportion is equality between two ratios.
Sorry?
Equality between two ratios.
Equality between two ratios. Okay. What is volume?
Volume is the space something takes up.
The space something takes up.
Yeah.
After the back. What is the common factor of 4x plus 6y?
The common factor of 4x plus 6y is 2 because
good. I know. So why do we divide both sides by 2 in the equation 2x equal to 8?
To make it to the simplest form.
To make it into the simplest form. Okay, let's say I give the expression like the equation 3x equal to 24. What is the value of x? 8. Okay, nice. What is volume?
Volume is how much space something takes up.
Okay, good. How to express the ratio into the simplest form?
By divide its number by using a common number.
By using a
Common number.
common number. Okay, good. What is the common factor of 3x plus
What is the common factor?
the common factor of 3x plus 12y?
The common factor.
Hmm.
3.
Good. What is proportion?
establish equality between two ratios.
Okay, good. How to express the ratio into the simplest form?
We multiply or divide each term of the ratio by a common number.
What is proportion?
Proportion is equality between two ratios.
How to express the ratio into the simplest form?
Multiply or divide each term of ratio by the common number.
Okay, good. What is volume? Not chess.
Volume is how much space something takes.
Okay, so why is 2 the common factor of 2x plus 6y?
Because 2 divide evenly into both coefficient 2 and 6 of the term 2s and 6.
Okay, so why do we divide both sides by 2 in the equation 2x plus equal to 8?
What?
Why do we divide both sides by 2 in the equation 2x equal to 8?
To maintain the equations balance.
Okay, Jason. What is proportion?
Equality relations.
How to express the ratio into the simplest form?
By dividing each number using common number.
Only divide it. To the back. What is volume?
How much space something take up?
Sorry?
How much space something take up?
Okay, good. Why is 2 the common factor in 2x plus 6y? Because can you move to the back, please? How to express the ratio into the simplest form?
Divide both sides by using common number.
Only divide.
Yes.
Okay, move to the back. What is volume?
Is volume is how much space something takes up.
Why is 2 the common factor in 2x plus 6y?
Because to divide because to divide into both coefficient evenly 2 and 6 of the terms 2x and 6y.
What is proportion?
Proportion is equality between two equality between 2 point.
To ratio. What is volume?
How much space something take up.
Okay. So why is 2 the common factor in 2x plus 6y?
What?
Why is 2 the common factor in 2x plus 6y?
Because 2 divided each number can become coefficient or terms into 2x and 6y.
Okay, good. Why do we divide both sides by 2 in the equation 2x equal to 8?
Itu nanya.
No, I just asked about, before I asked you about why is 2 the common factor. Now I asked you about why do we divide both sides by 2 in the equation 2x equal to 8?
To isolate x and maintain equation balance.
What is volume?
Something
Hmm?
that is how much something to take.